Welcome to Daelim Transformer. Today we are about to export a batch of transformers to our North American users for EV charging stations grid upgrade. Their specifications are 13.8 kV 3000 kVA 3-phase pad mount transformer. Let's take a look at the transformer details. The primary voltage is 13800 delta V. Secondary voltage is 480 GRDY/277 V. The cooling method is ONAN and complies with IEEE standards. The connection vector group is DYN1. Inside the transformer, there are 4-position load break switch changers and tap changer on the upper left side, which are used to adjust the voltage within a certain range by changing the effective number of turns of the winding. There are also 6 sets of high-voltage bushings on the lower left side, which guide the high-voltage terminals through the oil tank to ensure the insulation and sealing of the electrical connections. In addition, on the right side of the transformer, there are upper fill valve, thermometer, oil level gauges, LV bushing, and other components that help enhance the detection and use functions of the transformer. We have also added terminal support to provide mechanical support and prevent mechanical damage caused by cable weight or vibration. If you would like more information, please feel free to contact us. Don't forget to subscribe to Daelim Transformer's YouTube channel for more updates.